Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage team productivity with ClickUp, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage team productivity with ClickUp, start by creating an account if you haven't already. Visit the ClickUp website and sign up using your email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Begin by creating a new space for your team or project. Spaces act as high-level categories to organize your tasks effectively. Next, create folders within your space to further categorize related tasks. For each folder, add lists to reflect different stages of your project. Click on Add List and name it based on its purpose, like To Do or In Progress. Now, it's time to create tasks within these lists. Click on Add Task and outline the specific action items required. Assign each task to the appropriate team member, ensuring clear ownership. Set due dates to keep your team accountable and on track. To enhance task management, add descriptions and checklists as needed. Integrate comments within each task for real-time feedback and collaboration. Leverage ClickUp's time tracking feature to monitor how long tasks take. This will help identify bottlenecks and improve future planning. Utilize ClickUp's status feature to visually track progress across tasks. Customize your workspace by choosing different views, such as list, board, or calendar. Each view provides unique insights into your team's workload and project timeline. Regularly review your team's performance using ClickUp's reporting tools. These reports will help you assess productivity and make data-driven decisions. Encourage your team to engage with ClickUp daily for updates and task management. Foster a culture of communication through ClickUp's chat feature for seamless interactions. Lastly, schedule regular check-ins to discuss progress, challenges, and milestones. By following these steps, you can effectively manage team productivity with ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.